you guys, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to soak off GelX nails. I do want to preface this video first by saying that I am at the salon when I filmed this and using products that I purchased as a licensed professional. So if you guys are interested in seeing a more at-home or beginner guide to soaking off GelX using products that anyone can purchase, just leave a comment below and let me know. But yeah, don't forget to like this video if you learned anything and subscribe to my channel for more if you are enjoying my content. It helps me out so much. But let's get into today's video. Please. Okay, so here's what we are working with. This is a set of GelX that has been on for, I think, 5 to 6 weeks. But I am immediately going right in with my T-Rex bit. This is from Erica's ATA. I absolutely love this bit for debulking. I use it at 23,000 RPMs, and I am just taking off as much of that product as I possibly can without, getting down to the nail plate and touching it. This is going to make your soak-offs so fast and so easy. I think this soak-off in total took me around 20 to 25 minutes, which for a nail enhancement is pretty quick. From start to being prepped and ready for the nail to actually go on, the next set to go on the nail. And then here I am just clipping down her excess length. These had grown out so long, and then you can't really see it, but I did get her other hand soaking while I'm working on this one, and so she is soaking in a bowl of acetone with a bowl of hot water. The acetone is inside of a bowl of hot water, and this will help to kind of activate that acetone and get this stuff off as quickly as possible, which is what we want. But yeah, so getting her started on the other hand while I'm removing this hand is helpful, because once I come back around to her hand that is soaking, it will be ready to come off, which you will see in a couple of minutes. Now that her other hand is now soaking, this hand is ready to start coming off, so I use my metal pushing implement, cuticle implement, to just gently scrape off that GelX, and it should be kind of gummy and, not gummy, just kind of like flaky and soft and ready to come off. And then I go in with my 180 grit file, and I'm just buffing off any excess, and I use this opportunity to go ahead and prep the nail for her next set. So I'm going around and etching the surface of the nail and cleaning up the free edge, and then I will go in, I don't think I show it, but I do go in and push her cuticles back to get her ready for her next set as well. But yeah, that's basically it, and it's pretty straightforward. Once you have the right tools, you can make this go so quickly. It's all very important that you take your time doing this though, and don't damage your clients' nail beds and all that good stuff. But yeah, and then I thought I would quickly show you guys her after. So clean, healthy nails with a fresh set of GelX.